exploring the essence of traditional recipe in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a delicious topic: understanding the phrase, traditional recipe. This phrase is not only common in culinary contexts but also rich in cultural and linguistic layers. Let's unravel its meaning together and discover why it's more than just about food. In this section, we'll explore the word traditional. It's an adjective that describes something passed down from generation to generation within a culture. This could be beliefs, customs, and in our case, recipes. Traditional things often have a sense of history and heritage associated with them. They are seen as a link to the past and are valued for their authenticity and time-tested quality. Now, let's talk about recipe. A recipe is a set of instructions for preparing a particular dish, including a list of ingredients and the steps needed. But it's not just a technical guide. It often carries the story of who created it, the place it comes from, and the occasions it's prepared for. A recipe can be a way to preserve and share culture. When we combine these two words, traditional recipe refers to a cooking recipe that has been passed down within a culture or family. It's more than just a method of preparing food. It's a piece of cultural heritage. These recipes are often associated with specific regions, communities, or families and can be a source of pride and identity. In this section, we will see how traditional recipe is used in English. We'll look at examples from different cultures. For instance, traditional Italian pizza recipe, or traditional Chinese tea recipe. These phrases don't just describe the food but also hint at a rich history and cultural significance behind them. And that wraps up our exploration of traditional recipe. Remember, when you come across this phrase, it's not just about the food. It's about history, culture, and stories passed down through generations. We hope this video has been insightful and adds flavor to your English language learning journey. Stay curious, and happy learning!